Before we get into working with SQL Server, it's probably a good idea to talk about what SQL Server actually is. SQL Server is a relational database management system, or RDBMS. It uses a database engine to handle all the tasks associated with storing and retrieving data from a database, creating new databases and their components such as tables, views, and stored procedures. Because of its nature as a server, it's typically always running on a computer that it's installed on, ready to respond to requests, to perform required tasks, and then serve the information back out to the user that requested it. In most production environments, SQL Server would be installed on a dedicated machine and users would log in remotely from their own computers to access the databases that they want to use. However, SQL Server can be installed on a local computer. This approach simplifies the connections and is the method we're going to be using for this course. A SQL Server installation is called an instance, and a single instance can hold many individual databases under its umbrella. You might have one database to track your product offerings and a separate database to contain employee records, all on the same instance. You can install up to 50 instances on a single server, however, this is not recommended. At the heart of SQL Server is something called SQL or SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is the standardized way database administrators, developers, data analysts, and engineers interact with most of the database systems on the market today. In the next lecture coming up, we'll be taking a deeper look at what is SQL.